Hello friends, so today we are going to learn how to generate a result slip for students by subject and also for the total units. We have different sections. We have attendance, we have cut marks, we have end terms, and we have the points and also grades. So the main formula we are going to use here is the if formula. So for instance, we have this student, Michael Joseph. This student attended 90% of the total class. We have maybe 20 over 30, the total marks for the cut. Then we have 87 as the main exam. So our total now, if you want to calculate the total, because you will be having a list of many students, so you'll not need to be adding manually. So Excel gives you an important formula for adding up. So you just press equal sign, then sum, open the parenthesis, sum of C1, which is cut, which is E6 through, just click on the column, through F6. So it will be the total of the exams. So it will be this one. So it is equal sign, sum of the cut exam through the end term exam, then press enter. So total exam will be 107. So so this one will not be proportional, so we can just reduce here to be maybe 67 over 70. 67 over 70. So it will be 87 total. So for grade now, we have grade 1 point, we have 2 points, 3 points, and 4 points. So you have to generate a formula. If a formula, for instance, will say if it is greater than 79.9, then we have 1 point. If the total marks will be greater than 69.9, then we have 2 points, 0.2. If it's greater than 59.9, then it is 3 points. Then if it's greater than 39.9, then it is 4 points. Then the list, if it's greater than 0, then we can give 5 points. So let's just go press if, start the formula, and you will not press just if, you have to start any formula with an equal sign. So you start with if total marks, if the total marks, which is G6, remember, so if G6 is greater, you press greater than, we have 79.9, 79.9, then, so then you just press comma, it is, so it is 1 point, and you remember to close, yeah, so then, and comma, if, don't forget to press the parenthesis, the same G6 is greater than 69.9, then we'll give 2 points. We'll give 2 points. Then comma, if open the bracket. The total marks, still G6, is greater than 59.9. Then you press comma. It is 3 points. Do you see how I'm writing my formula? So then comma, if, because we are not yet completed the formula, and if it is greater, which is G6 is greater than that 39.9, then it is how many points here? It is 4 points. Okay, if G6 or G6, so if G6 our G6 now is greater than 0, let's say from 0 to 39.9 is greater than 0, then we'll have how many points? We'll have 5 points. So we will have 5 points. Then now don't forget to close all those brackets. So we have how many brackets? We have 1, we have 2, we have 3, we have 4, we have 5. So we close with 5 brackets. So close with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sorry, 5. Then you press enter. So for our case it's 1 point because it's greater than 79.9. So we are done with this one. So award. Our award now will be either distinction. Did this student got distinction? Did he get credit? Did he get pass or refer? So let's go. Just because we are going to repeat the same points, the same formula, but different identities. So you just copy this formula, then come here, come for award. So you want to award this student if it's credit, distinction or whatever. So then you paste. After pasting it, just go here. If it's greater than 79.9, then that one is automatically distinction. Okay, if it's greater than 69.9, then that grade will be credit. If it will be greater than 59.9, then it will be pass for our case. And if it's greater than 0, then we will give it, let's say refer. Greater than 39.9, let's say refer, and let's say also here, if it's greater than 0 or less than 39.9, let's say this student has failed. So you just and then click enter. So for our case, this student got distinction. So thank you friends, please like, share and subscribe. So the next video I'm going to produce is how to make the final tally or the total marks for the total units, and then we assign the general grade for the student. So please don't forget to subscribe for more. Thank you.